Automated laser scanners perform a preliminary volumetric scan to confirm dimensions, ensuring the material meets the exact The ultrasonic probes confirm the material's integrity, essential for the MiG-31 Foxhound to achieve speeds exceeding Mach 2.8. A highly calibrated laser interferometer system sweeps across the surface, measuring flatness deviations down to the
Route A, fuselage structure. Route B, landing gear assembly.
This ceramic coating is critical for protecting internal systems from the extreme thermal load generated by Mach.
The fuselage sections are secured in the colossal assembly jig, ready for the next phase of robotic assembly, ensuring maximum precision.
Ensure the high-temperature shielding is perfectly aligned before we lock it down.
Confirmed. The clearance looks good on this section.
Initiating scan sequence 3.
Acknowledged. Data flow is stable on the primary manifold.
Alignment on the stirred mount is within tolerance, but keep an eye on the thermal readings during the first welding sequence.
The specialized cooling system radiators are lowered, integral to cooling the powerful Zaslon Radar.
Check alignment on the port side.
Looks good. Lowering the module now.
Load distribution is nominal.
Confirmed. Process A complete.
Checklist complete for Process A.
Copy that. Disengaging crane hydraulics.
The demarcation line ensures quality control between the completed airframe and the landing gear components.
Here we see the integration of the high-pressure hydraulic actuators. This critical stage
The stress curves look optimal at max compression.
Confirmed. The secondary module is robust.
The specialized forklift delivers the Process B landing gear modules, marking the transition from secondary manufacturing to final integration.
The laser indicates a slight misalignment.
Confirmed. Making fine adjustments now.
Check the retention clips on the primary power conduit.
Confirmed. Torque set to factory specifications. Integration complete.
The primary racks are secure.
check. Engaging the dampening locks now.
Alignment check on the starboard engine now. Bay is clear.
Confirmed. Proceeding with insertion.
Pressure levels holding steady. All indicators green.
Alignment is perfect. Torquing sequence initiated.
Confirmed. All green on Bay 7.
Ensure the seal around the optical sensor is flush.
Copy that. Moving to the starboard intake now.
Flaps and ailerons clear.
Roger that.
Main gear strut looks good. Brake assembly checked.
Foxhound 31, you are clear for takeoff. Good hunting.
The MiG-31 Foxhound accelerates with immense power. The titanium airframe demonstrates its aerodynamic integrity.
The MiG-31 executes a sharp, high-G maneuver, showcasing the structural rigidity of the heat-resistant steel and...
Solid work up there, boss.
Solid work, Thanks. Glad to be back on the ground.